Can AI, artificial intelligence, help you on your manifestation journey? Absolutely. Stay to the end and I will show you personal examples about how I use it in my life and how it's helped me along on my journey. It is free. It's easy to use. You do not have to be a techie. You do not have to understand computers in any way, shape, or form. It is so easy to do. I'll show you how at the end. I'm going to break this up into 10 parts because the power of AI it's a little bit scary, to be honest, but it's also miraculous. So 10 parts today. We're just going to talk about affirmations and how AI can help you craft affirmations that are specific just to you and pertain to your fears, your frustrations, and how you want to overcome them so that you can manifest the health, the wealth, and the love that you want in your life. So if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling uninspired, AI can be just the tool that you are looking for to add a little excitement, motivate you, and keep you on track in order to manifest your dream life. Like I said, it's easy, it's free, and it will personalize the affirmations just for you. Now, I love affirmations, robotic affirmations that I can say over and over and over to myself all day long while I'm going about my menial tasks of the day of dishes and dog walking and whatever comes up. I also like affirmations that are vivid and use all my senses of sight and smell and hearing. I love those affirmations as well. AI can generate affirmations, whichever one you prefer. It can do both. Again, it's free. You will never know how you did this without using AI. Artificial intelligence, I think, is so powerful that it is a little scary. Not going to go down that road of the possibilities of where things can go wrong, but it is there. It's out there, and it is a tool that you can use to help you in your manifestation journey. It's like the secretary unpaid that you've always wanted and never had before. It's like the unpaid assistant. It is amazing what it can do for you. So manifestation and affirmation is all about aligning your thoughts, getting your mindset right, saying things over and over again, programming yourself, not the programming that you've had your whole life from your parents and your friends and your family. This is you programming yourself. So here's what you can do. Go on your computer and open up OpenAI or ChatGPT. It's free. And then in the prompt, put what affirmations you want in your life. You can start out very general, then you can narrow it down. You can get 10 affirmations, you can get 30 affirmations, whatever works for you. So here's a personal example of a prompt that I put in there and the affirmations that it came up with. I want to have 100,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Please list me 10 affirmations I can use today to overcome my fear of the imposter syndrome and the teasing from family and friends that I would get opening up a YouTube channel. And here's what it came up with. I am worthy of success. My voice deserves to be heard by millions. My content adds value to the world and I am confident in my unique perspective. I embrace my authenticity and my true self attracts the right audience to my channel. Those are just the first 3. It gave me 10 because that's what I asked for. I could say, I love number 7. Please expand on that. You could say, number 9 doesn't really resonate with me. Please come up with 10 more affirmations, this time really focusing in on overcoming my fear of rejection. And it will instantly give you these affirmations. Another one that you could use in your life, you can make it so specific and so personal, and within seconds, it will come up with what you want. Here's another one I said. I want 30 affirmations about finding my soulmate, overcoming fears of loneliness, unworthiness, and getting old. It gave me 10 affirmations in each of those categories. Affirmations for attracting my soulmate, affirmations for overcoming the fear of loneliness, and affirmations for overcoming fears of unworthiness. I'll read you one in each. I am attracting my perfect soulmate who aligns with my highest good. The next one, about overcoming the fear of loneliness. I am whole and complete just as I am, and I enjoy my own company. And then the unworthiness. Remember, I always tell you that you are capable, you are enough, you are worthy, and you are powerful. If you have any fears about any of those, put that prompt into ChatGPT and it will come up with affirmations for you. I am worthy of love, happiness, and all the good things my life has to offer. Then what I do is I take my phone, I put a voice recording on there. If you don't know how to do that, you can even ask ChatGPT, how do I make a voice recording on my phone? And it will tell you. Make a voice recording, and then before you go to bed at night, you can put that voice recording on so that you can hear in your own words affirmations that are targeted just for you, overcoming your own fears in your own voice. And as long as you want to, if you've made your voice recording 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you have done, and you can program yourself. So one of the problems is you're watching a YouTube video and it says affirmations, fantastic. But then you think to yourself, I don't know what to say. I don't really want to write it down, but if I just go straight to voice recording, it's jumbled, it's not, I don't know. It's that inaction. You haven't taken the first step. What affirmations? And if you go on other YouTube channels, some of those affirmations, they maybe not pertain to you. You could be too young, you could be too old, you could be whatever. It's not directed to you. Use artificial intelligence to craft affirmations exactly for yourself. It's so easy. So yes, I use it in my day-to-day life. I use it to come up with affirmations on the success that I want my YouTube channel to have. I use it for affirmations on the imposter syndrome, on getting over family and friends teasing me for having a YouTube channel. And again, it will get as specific as you want it to be. So if you put in there, and I've put in there, please give me 10 affirmations about manifesting my dream home, which is on the ocean, which is a bungalow, which has 3 bedrooms. It will do that for you. And if something isn't right, it will change it for you. Again, use artificial intelligence to help you manifest your dream life. Tomorrow, we'll talk about another way that it can help you manifest your dreams. We all want health, we all want wealth, and we all want love. Remember that you are capable, you are enough, you are worthy, and you are powerful. This is just another tool in your toolbox to help you manifest your dreams, because again, manifestation is a skill. It can be learned. Let AI, artificial intelligence, help you. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned tomorrow for another video about how AI can help you manifest your dream life. Hit the like and subscribe button so you're notified when that video comes out, because AI, the stuff of science fiction, is powerful, and you're powerful. And if you put them both together, the sky is the limit. You can manifest whatever you want in this world. If you like this video, please watch this one, and I'll see you tomorrow.